Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. By the title of this video, you guys already know what it's about. So let's go ahead and head out to the garage and take a look at what I got. Here are some E88s made by BBS, clearly. 325 in the rear, 265 in the front. Looking super fucking clean. Got a great deal on them. I couldn't really pass up on it. I'm gonna go ahead and mount these on right now with the torque wrench that I have over there. Fucking massive thing. I'll show you guys right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here she is. This bitch. Let me put her together and show you guys what it looks like. All right, here it is, looking like a fucking battle axe. Pretty damn heavy, not gonna lie. Fuck. Your adjustment for the torque is right down there. Lift over that lever, that's the adjustment knob. You spin it to whatever pound-feet you want. For the GT3, this requires 443 pounds-feet of torque. So we're gonna go ahead and muscle our way off of these, muscle these wheels off of the car. Okay, here we are, wheel is off, and I just wanted to show you guys the geometry on the suspension. Right there's your motor for your rear wheel steer. Right here. Couple control arms. Got my cats right there. Still catted, see? Yeah. Brakes look good. Here's what it looks like when this bitch comes off. Yeah. Tires are bald as hell. Time to fit these bad boys on. Here she is. Kind of difficult to see it at night. Gonna have to drop the rear end just a little bit, maybe about 1/2 inch. But the front looks good. Front maybe 1/4 inch. This car goes in tomorrow to GMG to get their competition alignment. So perfect timing. GMG did not want to schedule me until I got my wheels. They said it would have been a waste of time to go ahead and do the 20s, the OEM 20s, do the spec on that, and then switch over to these when they don't know what the tire specs are, where the right geometry's at, all that shit. So now that everything's done, perfect timing for my appointment tomorrow. And yeah, I'll check in tomorrow and show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, here she is, back from GMG. We got the, excuse my harness collar set up over there. That's for a future video, but we got the track alignment going. Got the wheels tucked just a little bit. They were poking out before, like you guys saw earlier. But with the camber now, the track alignment keeps it tucked underneath. Wasn't able to drop the rear end very much just because this is too big of a tire. So this tire needs to be a 315, it's a 325. The only cars that use the 315s, sorry, the 325 is going to be the turbos and the 3RS and the 2RS. Those use up to a 345, but just the GT3 uses a 315. 265 is good up front. I can tell you right now, the way the car reacts with this alignment and this bigger tire up front is night and day. It's fucking crazy. They went ahead and installed thrust arm bushings as well, adjustable ones, because when you give a car like this that much camber, you also mess with the caster. So in order to correct the caster from being super aggressive, you need the thrust arm bushings, or you can just get the thrust arms replaced with adjustable thrust arms, which is a lot more expensive than just the bushings. So for the current setup, the bushings will do just fine. When this becomes a full-blown track car after I sell the F80 next year, this car will get the full suspension treatment like the F80 did. Negative 3.2 and negative 3 in the rear, an eighth of a toe in the rear, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below. Other than that, talk to y'all later. Peace.